Hey, and that's how we start out our evening here at Rock Valley, Iowa. Looks like a pretty good pull. Hold him down. Hold that big block.
Thanks, Alex.
Hey, Alex, here. I already had it. I already ate mine.
Well, I believe he calls his home Centralia, Kansas. That's the foolish pleasure of Matt Becker on our naturally aspirated two-wheel drive truck.
For the tracks.
On the east side, Loy Woerman, Runner Wild, Snyder, and Nebraska. Right there from Nebraska, Snyder, Nebraska. That would be Luke Renner and Runner Wild. A little bit light there on the front end.
Good.
All right, over on the two-wheel drive track from North Bend.
Daycare. $1 a ticket or $20 for an arm link.
.96 feet, 0.6.
Follows as he exits the track there. Working on those clutches out there.
Nice. The Midnight Mistress, number 2. Needed to go in excess of 318 and change to bump that lead. Right there for the hot iron, Mark Crowley, Clayton, Minnesota. 3:14 and 58.
That one there, that guy did good.
And Tammie goes 261 and 66. 261. All right, from Hayward in Iowa, the Ragin red Chevrolet El Camino, Aaron Dekkers. Nice run for Aaron. I believe he will come up a little short of that lead. 3:16 and 58.
Drop, we lost sound, but we got the sound back. Green flags on slightly twisted.
That's it for Terry Van Beek, slightly twisted from Rock Valley, Iowa. He lays down a pass of 3:08.6. Gerald Tomka just laying around in Dodge, Nebraska. Tomka just laying out from Dodge, Nebraska. He goes 268.